My name is Elise Pajot. I'm a perfumer specializing in home and fabric care fragrances and based in the Netherlands. What I love most about my work is the creativity, the ability to express yourself every day. In our position, we have endless possibilities, and I really like to combine different senses in my creations, thinking about textures, colors, and the emotions I want to bring to the fragrance. With Ylanganate, my first impression was the power of the opulent white floral notes. It has some jasmine, tuberose, and also orange flower facet with a slightly powdery antanellate type of note. It also has a red fruit like a strawberry and sweet balsamic notes. I like to use Ylanganate to support the body of the fragrance because it has a lot of volume and performance. It pairs very well with balsamic notes, enhancing the sweetness, and I use it in combination with ingredients like vanillin and coumarin to add nuance and complexity to these gourmand notes. Ylanganate is useful for replacing methyl paracresol in combination with other ingredients and also with salicylates or solar notes to push like this effect. It works exceptionally in laundry care products such as liquid detergent, powder detergent and fabric conditioner, especially in the damp stage. The volume it gives to the fragrance is fantastic. Just a touch of Ylanganate really makes the difference.